Hey Team Herbalife, as promised, we are trying new formats for communicating with you, and we hope you enjoy this short video. Today I'm joined by a couple of guests to discuss the exciting things we are doing with our products. The depth of choice, the innovation, the quality of our products combine to give us a unique competitive advantage and support our members' focus on their customers. 2015 has been another incredible year here at Herbalife, and we have achieved so much as a team. Thanks to your hard work and dedication, our company is better and stronger than ever before. The improving trends in our business performance are the result of the attitude and effort of each and every one of you. Our brand, it's never been stronger. We have a more engaged and more active member base. We have more people buying Herbalife products than ever before. You should feel good to be part of such a wonderful team. I know I do, because together we are making a positive impact on communities around the world. 2015 was a year that saw us take our message of good nutrition and healthy active living to more people than ever before. For example, we brought together academics, regulators, members, and consumers in more than 15 countries during our 4th annual wellness tour in APAC. And now we have other regions following this great example. In September and October, hundreds of thousands of members and their customers joined fitness events in cities across China in celebration of China's 10th anniversary. And as we travel the world meeting with members, it's clear that they are focused on delivering the best customer service and member support, and each of us needs to be engaged in that. They are adopting and building sustainable business methods that are focused on daily consumption. Nutrition clubs, fitness camps, weight loss challenges are all ways that they are growing their retail customer base through a great social experience. To do this, they need the very best nutrition products from us. We are already well positioned for the future, but we are investing in strengthening our product portfolio even more. We continue to introduce local products and expand our flavors to appeal to specific markets and generate excitement among our members and their customers. Our Formula One Mochaccino in Brazil is the #1 selling flavor since launch, and the Extra Kale Powder Booster in Mexico has been enthusiastically welcomed by our members there. We are creating new consumption occasions for our members and their customers with the introduction of a savory hot option like the Formula One NutriSoup in Brazil. Our first ever meal replacement soup. You guys ought to try it. It is fantastic. And as you will all know, we just launched the newest addition to our Herbalife 24 sports line, CR7 Drive. Herbalife 24 CR7 Drive opens up a number of key customer growth segments while demonstrating our leadership and innovation in the sports nutrition sector. It also takes advantage of Cristiano Ronaldo's global presence to further elevate our brand. We are taking a much more targeted approach to our product innovation and development to ensure that we meet the needs of our members and their customers now and deep into the future. To tell you about this more customer-focused approach of innovation, I am joined by Patricio Cuesta, Senior Vice President, Worldwide Marketing, and Dr. John Heiss, Senior Director, Worldwide Product Marketing. Guys, over to you.
Thanks, Michael, and hi, Team Herbalife. Innovation starts with understanding consumers. This year we have focused in evolving our marketing strategies to best reach consumers and customers. During the last year, we have invested a lot of resources globally to better understand our customers and members so we can understand their current and their future needs. We are looking towards evolving our communication to our customers, to our members, and to have a better way of explaining our products and how they support our customer needs. And during this process of segmenting our customers, we understood that different customers have different needs. So we want to assure that in the future, whatever we share with our customers, communication, products, is tied with their needs. And as an example of this new approach to product development, we just launched CR7. We partnered with international soccer champion Cristiano Ronaldo to develop CR7, and John Heiss will walk us through the creation of this product.
Thanks, Patricio. Hey, John Heiss here down the HP1 lab in Torrance. I want to talk to you a little bit about this new product, CR7 Drive. CR7 stands for Cristiano Ronaldo, jersey number 7. We tried to make a new product that helped support his game time performance on the field. We want to make a drink that gave him energy, but wasn't so elite that anyone who's kind of athletic can use this product. That's why we made it have 50 calories and have 9 grams of sugar, about as much as a half a banana. So it's going to give you a little bit of energy if you're working out. Let's say you're doing a 30-minute yoga or Pilates session. It's got some minerals to help enhance hydration and B vitamins to help support metabolism. So I think about it fitting in with the rest of the products. Hydrate with about 12 calories, no sugar. Zero7 Drive, 50 calories and minerals for hydration. And then you have Prolong for kind of your ultra endurance work with 250 calories, lots of carbs, a little bit of protein. If you're not an athlete, you can still use Zero7 Drive. If you're working up a sweat, get out there and enjoy the product. Thanks, guys.
Our product strategy is driven by the nutritional needs of consumers, but it is underpinned by our absolute commitment to product quality. That is why we continue to invest in our manufacturing, sourcing, quality, and R&D teams as part of our Seed to Feed initiative. We need to continue to educate the public and our members about nutrition and the role of dietary supplements within a balanced diet and the importance of healthy, active lifestyles. Our commitment to quality is what sets us apart from many in our industry. You should have confidence that our products use only the best ingredients and that our rigorous testing ensures that what is on the label is in the canister. Quality is non-negotiable. It's an investment in our future success. So I've asked Dave Pizzulo, our Executive Vice President of Worldwide Operations, to talk a little about the great progress we are making in this important area. Dave?
Thanks, Michael. Seed to Feed is all about pride and confidence in our product and creating a competitive advantage for our company and for our members. It all starts with the ingredients. We source our ingredients from only the best suppliers worldwide, and some of those we actually make ourselves in our botanical extraction facility in Changsha, China. With those ingredients, we now need to turn them into a finished product. That's where our research and development group and our scientific affairs group comes in, to make sure that we have strong science behind our ingredients and to make sure that we have a robust formulation that meets what we're trying to do with that particular product. Once R&D turns it over, now we have to make it. I'm here at our Herbalife Innovation and Manufacturing Facility in Lake Forest, California. Did you know that we did 63 million units out of this facility last year? That's almost 2 billion servings of Formula One and aloe for folks around the world. This is only one of our 4 HIM facilities that we have. There's one in Suzhou, China, one in Changsha, China, and another one, which is our biggest, in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. In Winston-Salem, we can produce bulk powder at a rate that is 15 times faster than many in the industry can do. Now that we've made the best finished product, we still have to check it. So we've created a quality assurance and quality control infrastructure that includes 6 world-class laboratories. They created a botanical identification program that leads our industry to be able to identify every single one of those ingredients when it comes in. And we're now taking it a step further, incorporating DNA testing into that botanical identification program to make sure that we stay on the cutting edge of identification. Once we've created it, we've checked it, now we've got to get it out to our members so that they can sell it. We have 3 world-class, very high-tech distribution centers around the world, plus thousands of access points for our members to be able to get to our product. So, all of this gives me great pride and confidence in Herbalife and in our products, and I believe creates a huge competitive advantage for the company and for our members. And I wanted to take this opportunity to personally thank all of Team Herbalife that made this happen, so thank you.
Thank you, Patricio, John, and Dave. These guys are doing a great job and represent the incredible talent we have throughout our company. We continue to see the consequences of poor nutrition around the world. And our company is helping to address this by providing better education, a supportive social network, and effective products to help people make healthier choices. As we strive to be the premier nutrition company in the world, we continue to strengthen our product range by expanding choice within each of our product categories and identifying new trends and growth segments. Today we focused on the importance of our product, but there are so many exciting things happening in our company right now that should fill you with pride and confidence. Our members remain focused on setting and meeting expectations of all those who come to Herbalife, and they are energized and excited about the future. And our brand, well, you know, it continues to grow every day through authentic and creative relationships with individuals and events that reflect our message of a healthy, active lifestyle. As we come to the end of our 35th year, I want to take a moment to especially recognize someone who has been here from day one. Can you believe that? Gus Perez. Gus, congratulations. Gus works in our LADC, and he typifies the commitment and dedication of all of you. Please join me in thanking Gus for his decades of service. And go to our intranet site to see a video celebrating more of our team members with important anniversaries. Just want to say from the bottom of my heart, congratulations to all of you. As we look forward to 2016, let's continue to help our members place the customer at the center of all we do, with nutrition products that meet their daily needs and a robust social network that provides community, support, education, and most importantly, results. Let's continue to make a positive impact in the communities that we benefit around the world. Thanks again for all you do to build Herbalife better, and have a wonderful holiday season with your friends and your family. Thank you.